In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to track your Apple Watch location from a phone. So if you're an iPhone user, then open the Find My app on your iPhone. And here you have to select Devices and then select the Apple Watch that you want to track. And then here you get the Apple Watch exact location. Just like this, you can pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the location. And now I will show you how to track your Apple Watch location from an Android phone. All you have to need on your mobile phone, open a browser. You can use any browser. In your browser, type iCloud.com and open the official iCloud website. And then tap on sign in. And then go ahead and sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID. Once you successfully signed into your iCloud account, in here scroll down and come to this app section. Just open Find My, and here you have to select the Apple Watch from this your devices list. Once you selected your Apple Watch, here you get your Apple Watch exact location. Now just go ahead and track your Apple Watch location from here. Thanks for watching.